Good morning. I'm saying morning because it is 7:30 and after that video I made of the clean and chat with me, and literally like 30 minutes after I got done filming, the bag dried up back to its original dusty crustiness, and I thought, okay, Ashley, you made this video and I didn't know what you were talking about, but that's what this channel is about, to learn and grow as a person, as a seller, and, you know, learn from your mistakes. And I did. So I did get, after learning a bit about how to care for a bag, I did get some saddle soap and also mink oil, but I have learned don't put mink oil on the leather bag because it'll like dry it up and change the coloring. So we're not doing that. We're just doing saddle soap wash, and it's been looking really good. So the Portland leather goods bag, I haven't done this side, but I did do the under and the back with the saddle soap. And yeah, there's a couple spots from the scuffs that have dried, but they look way better than they did. And now it is properly being cleaned. So I'm doing this before getting ready for work because it's a new toy and I want to play with it. And so I'm really excited about doing things the correct way. But I wanted to film the process of like, hey, I make mistakes. Probably won't be touching that Armor All bottle I was talking about again, but it's really fun. And yeah, this is real life. And yeah, I will post the finished results later. Okay, it is after work and we have finally let the saddle soap dry on the bag. I think color wise and you know, just the care of the leather, it looks more supple. Yeah, we got a couple of kind of finish marks, but I think it looks way better than how I got it. So we rescued another bag and I learned a lot, so that's good. You know, like I said, this whole process is a journey, and yeah, I feel really good about where I ended up. I'm not going to take anything else to it. Typically, I write on my listings what I did to the bag so that people know, like, if it's freshly cleaned condition. So, yeah, we got a couple spots, but I was looking at other listings for Portland leather goods, and they said that, you know, spots or wears is common for Portland leather. So, really excited, really happy. Yeah, so I'll let you know when it's posted. Okay, bye guys.